If you're a personal injury law firm and you're wanting to move beyond the 7 figures to the 8 and 9 mark, and you're in this technician, and you've been a technician and you want to move to the CEO type of mindset, you got to be thinking about one thing, and that's data. Data is incredibly important for your personal injury law firm because it's going to give you the roadmap of what actions you need to take to drive results. Ultimately, there's a lot of noise, there's a lot of distractions, and your time's very valuable, especially when it comes to how competitive the personal injury law firm space is. So you need to know what activities to do to actually move the needle, and that's what data does. So we've looked at hundreds of thousands of websites that rank on the first page of Google, and we've created this excellent study that can help you pinpoint what actions you need to take for your search engine optimization strategy. When you pinpoint the actions that you need to take with data, it's going to help you move to that #1 position. That's going to help you be perceived as the #1 attorney. That's going to help you get more cases, show up. It has this momentum compounding effect because then you can start to acquire links naturally. So that's what data does. It allows you to focus on the initiatives that will drive the most impact. And that's how you can get out in front. You can think of yourself as a strategic CEO and not a reactionary CEO. You're out in the forefront, you're carving out the landscape as opposed to being reactive. One of the most surprising things that we found out in our study was just how much emphasis there is around images. You know, we've known this through our insights section in Google My Business. We've saw this direct correlation with, more images and more traffic, but it's also becoming abundantly clear that images are very important for organic search results as well for your personal injury law firm. One of the most interesting parts of the study that I personally couldn't believe was how important external links are to rank your personal injury law firm website. It's one of the highest correlating factors to improving your search results. So if you've got a website and you're generating tons of content, you need to be really spending a lot of time citing authoritative sources. I think it legitimizes your content and makes it more important. That's what the data is showing.